What's good, Brian? Akash. Kid Trunks. Kid Trunks, you know. That early bird. Always gets fed. Linda, good to see you. Maha, great to see you. I know we have a call later. Looking forward to it. No garage sale today. Some family stuff. I wish it was garage sale right now. We'll get back at it. Sneak in a couple tomorrow. Sunday garage sales are whack. But once in a blue moon, you can pull a diamond in the rough. So we'll see. What's good, Zach? I'll get back to you. I know you're in my inbox. I'll get back to you on that combo we got going on. Trinidad in the building. I'm talking about Trinidad lately. Some business front. It's on the radar. Morning. Hi, mojon. Dallow, it's good. Layla, it's good. Avi. James Orsini says hello.
Oh, tell me to say hi.
Avi says hi, James. Craig Tampson in the building, one of my favorites. All right, let me answer some questions. If you got a question, go in video form. Let's go. Let's see who's requesting to get on here. Who is requesting to get on? Who's requesting? Go. Refresh. 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 Who is requesting? I idolized my mom growing up today. Yo, what's good?
I'm at the hospital.
Are you okay? Are you all right?
No.
You got
No.
your lips? Good luck. We're all sending you luck.
Alright.
We're all sending
Call Drake.
good luck,
please.
man. Bet.
Alright.
Good luck.
Alright.
All right, we're cheering for my man.
How you get off? Oh. Sorry.
All right. It was a tough way to start.
Good morning, everybody. What's going on, Gary?
Brian, how are you?
Want to see my new outfit for recon? Check it out.
What's that, brother? You're getting ready for VCon, huh?
Yes, sir. I'm getting ready for my daily, baby. This is my Saturday outfit, baby, with the family. Let's go.
Let's go. That
Yo, hey, I
unofficial
appreciate you, brother.
Flag.
The best Father's Day ever, brother. Give me a chance to get a fucking adaptable alien fucking go. Goo, baby. Let's fucking go.
Let's go,
I'm so fucking pumped, brother. I'm so fucking pumped. You're being underestimated, man. I'm just